Good morning, students. We are going to discuss carboxylic acid. The lesson is aldehyde ketone carboxylic acid. Last topic carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid में last topic है. तो chemical reactions of carboxylic acid last class में भी कुछ reactions discussion किया है. Chemical properties of carboxylic acid are C double one O H. तो इसमें ऑलरेडी कुछ reactions चेक कर लिया, डिस्कशन किया एंड last reaction is reaction with phosphorus trichloride, phosphorus pentachloride, and thionyl chloride. So carboxylic acid, when treated with phosphorus trichloride, phosphorus pentachloride, or thionyl chloride, the main product is RCOCl, means acetyl chloride, or acyl halides product form. Their main product and byproduct based on the reactant. In case PCl3, then phosphorus acid PCl5, POCl3, phosphorus oxychloride, and SOCl2, and SO2 and HCl are the byproduct. Next reaction is reaction with ammonia. Fourth reaction, three reactions are completed. Fourth reaction is reaction with ammonia. Reaction with ammonia. Ammonia formula NH3. When carboxylic acid treated with ammonia, ammonium salt will be obtained. After formation of ammonia salt, it further on heating forms amides. ये MIDS DES amides form मीन्स कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड अमोनिया के साथ रिएक्ट होकर अमोनियम सॉल्ट को फॉर्मेशन करेगी. अमोनियम सॉल्ट्स को जस्ट हीट करेगी तो एमाइड्स फॉर्म होगा. तो फर्स्ट यहाँ पे अमोनिया NH3 फार्मूला एंड फॉर्म होने वाले प्रोडक्ट क्या है एमाइड. ये एमाइड फंक्शनल ग्रुप, ये एमाइड फंक्शनल ग्रुप है. तो एमाइड होगा तो C डबल बॉन्ड वो NH2 कार्बन कार्बन हैविंग NH2 ग्रुप दैट इज नोन एज एमाइड होता है. हियर जनरल रिएक्शन आर C डबल बॉन्ड वो OH कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड ट्रीटेड विद अमोनिया. तो यहाँ पे NH3 अमोनिया ये एसिड है, अमोनिया बेस के जैसे बिहेव करेंगे तो सॉल्ट फॉर्म होगा. हियर इसमें से NH2 फॉर्म होगा, ये तो NH4 plus because ammonia having one lone pair of electron, this H plus will attracted towards ammonia, then ammonium salt will obtain RC double bond O minus NH4 plus ammonium salt. Ammonium salt is obtained after formation of this salt by heating. तो यहाँ पे ये अमोनियम सॉल्ट को जस्ट हीट करो तो इसमें से H2O मॉलिक्यूल एलिमिनेट होगा. H2O एलिमिनेट होके RC डबल बॉन्ड वो NH2 ये एमाइड फॉर्म होगा. ये एमाइड कंपाउंड फॉर्म. ये जनरल रिएक्शन. अगर आपको R की जगह पे कोई भी अल्काइल ग्रुप ले लो, मिथेनोइक, इथेनोइक एसिड, ब्यूटेनोइक एसिड, प्रोपेनोइक एसिड, पेंटेनोइक एसिड एटसेट्रा, तो उसका रिलेटेड उतना कार्बन कंटेनिंग प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म होगा. मींस in case reactant having 3 carbon then product also having 3 carbon 4 carbon होगा तो product also having 4 carbons. So final product is amide. Means when carboxylic acid treated with ammonia, amides are obtained. Means intermediate product is ammonium salt. On heating, ammonium salt loses 1 mole of water molecule, then amides will be obtained. And another reaction, this reaction is related with aliphatic compounds. Now aromatic carboxylic acid, C benzoic acid, R C double bond O OH treated with ammonia, benzamide product will obtain. तो यहाँ पे अमोनियम सॉल्ट फॉर्म होगा, C डबल बॉन्ड O माइनस NH4 प्लस फॉर्म होगा. ऑन हीटिंग water molecule will eliminated, then benzamide product will obtain. Benzamide C double bond O NH2. This is known as benzamide. Compulsory product के नीचे नेम तो मेंशन करना है. प्रोडक्ट होने तो मे बी रिएक्टेंट होने तो कंपाउंड के नीचे तो नेम मेंशन करना है. दिस वन इज अमोनियम सॉल्ट अमोनियम. अगर यहाँ पे आर CH3 ग्रुप है तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है अमोनियम एसिटेट. बेंजोइक एसिड ट्रीटेड विथ अमोनिया, देन अमोनियम बेंजोइट फॉर्म होगा. This one is known as ammonium benzoate. Ammonium benzoate. Ammonium benzoate on heating 1 mole of water molecule loses and forms benzamide. This is known as benzamide. EMIDE functional group. Benzamide form. And another one reaction is very important one. Phthalic acid treated with ammonia. Phthalic acid means the benzene having two carboxylic acid functional groups. मीन्स बेंजीन रिंग के ऊपर 1,2 पोजीशन पे COOH फंक्शनल ग्रुप होगा तो दैट कंपाउंड इज नोन एज phthalic acid. Here example R C double bond OH, R C double bond OH. This is known as phthalic acid. P silent. Phthalic acid. When this phthalic acid treated with ammonia, phthalimide will be formed. An intermediate product is ammonium phthalate. On heating, 2 moles of water molecule will be lost. Phthalimide. After heating, then this phthalimide will be converted into phthalimide. Phthalimide and phthalimide, one letter different है. A and I ध्यान से observe. Phthalic acid treated with ammonia NH3. Then 2 moles of ammonia consume होगा. C double bond O NH4 plus O NH4 plus. Here also C O NH4 plus form O minus NH4 plus. On heating, 2 moles of water molecule will be released. 2 moles of water molecule. यहाँ से 1 mole of water, यहाँ से भी 1 mole of water. 2 moles of water molecule release होगा. Then C double bond O NH2 and another one also C double bond O NH2. ये प्रोडक्ट यहाँ तक तो अपने को पता है, right? The product ammonium phthalate. This is known as ammonium phthalate. Ammonium phthalate. And next one is ammonium phthalimide. Phthalimide. AMIDE. ये phthalimide. After strong heating, this phthalimide will be converted into phthalimide. ये की जगह पे ये आई आएगा. Phthalimide. LIMIDE. Phthalimide form. Means here 1 mole of water molecule will be lost from phthalimide on strong heating. Strong heating, 1 mole of water molecule will be released from this compound and formed phthalimide. Here the formula of phthalimide is C double bond O NH. This is known as phthalimide. PHALIMIDE. Phthalimide. Difference. phthalimide. ये important difference है. Reaction with ammonia. When carboxylic acid treated with ammonia, then only one aliphatic compound, it will be converted into amides. In case aromatic carboxylic acids will treated with ammonia, forms phthalimide, and two carboxylic acids functional group present on benzene ring increase, then it will react with ammonia forms ammonium phthalate. This phthalic acid treated with ammonia forms intermediate product ammonium phthalate, and after releasing water molecule on heating, then it forms phthalimide. On strong heating, this phthalimide will be converted into phthalimide. E bond. Phthalic acid, phthalate, phthalimide, phthalimide. So 2 moles of water molecule, and after formation of phthalimide, 1 mole of water molecule will be released and forms phthalimide. Reaction is very important because phthalic acid treated with ammonia, then different types of amide products are obtained. And next reaction, third type of reaction means carboxylic acids are undergoes three type of chemical reactions. One is R C डबल बॉन्ड वो OH और यहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन हाइड्रोजन के बीच में बॉन्ड ब्रेक हुआ. सेकेंड वन R C डबल बॉन्ड वो OH कार्बन ऑक्सीजन के बीच में बॉन्ड ब्रेक हुआ. नेक्स्ट reaction occurred, a reaction involving COOH group. Reaction involving COOH group. लास्ट क्लास में ये थ्री रिएक्शन टाइप्स बताए. तो ये कंप्लीट हुआ, अभी ये कंप्लीट हुआ. नेक्स्ट नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस रिएक्शन इन्वॉल्विंग COOH ग्रुप. Reaction involving C डबल बॉन्ड वो H group. ये third type of chemical reactions of carboxylic acid. Here first reaction is a reduction reaction. In this reaction involving C double bond O OH group, first reaction is a reduction reaction. Reduction means removal of oxygen from the compound is known as reduction reaction. When these carboxylic acids reduced, then alcohol product will be obtained. Here carboxylic acids are reduced to primary alcohol. Compulsory underline this point. Primary alcohols will obtain when carboxylic acid reduced, then it forms primary alcohol only by lithium aluminum hydride. Lithium aluminum hydride means this one is one of the strong reducing agent, but sodium borohydride does not reduce the carboxylic acid. Sodium borohydride NaBH2. Sodium borohydride does not reduce the carboxylic acid group. Only lithium aluminum hydride is reduces the carboxylic acid group into alcohol. When carboxylic acid reduced, and it forms primary alcohols. Example R C double bond OH. General reaction, carboxylic acid treated with lithium aluminum hydride in presence of ether on, and another one is H2O ether. Then it will be converted into primary alcohols R CH2OH. OH वैसे रहेगा. C double bond O carbonyl group will be converted into as CH2. Example CH3 C double bond O H. As these reaction conditions, then this C double bond O carbonyl group will be converted into CH2 and primary alcohols will be obtained. Ethyl alcohol or ethanol. This one is primary alcohol. And next one is decarboxylation reaction. Second one, in this type of reactions, second one is decarboxylation reaction. Decarboxylation. Decarboxylation. D means removal, carboxylation means carbon dioxide. When we remove the carbon dioxide from the reactant. That type of reaction is known as decarboxylation. D means removal and carboxylation means carbon dioxide. That reaction is known as decarboxylation. Removal of carbon dioxide is known as decarboxylation reaction. Here, when this carboxylic acid plus carbon dioxide to form hydrocarbons, when either sodium salts are heated with soda lime, and the reaction is known as decarboxylation. Soda lime means combination of already 11th standard में ये reaction आया है आपको preparation of alkenes में. When carbon dioxide will release from the carboxylic acid, then alkenes will be obtained. Example reaction is Kolbe's electrolysis. अब 11th standard में preparation of alkenes में 6th reaction या 4th reaction होगा. कोल्बेस इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस से कोल्बेस इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस मेथड से भी आल्केन को प्रिपेयर किया. सेम वही रिएक्शन है यहाँ पे. सोडा लाइम. Soda lime means a combination of sodium hydroxide plus calcium hydroxide is known as soda lime. When this carboxylic acid or C double bond O H treated with soda lime, it will salts of sodium carboxylic acid यानी H की जगह पे यहाँ पे सोडियम लिया, सोडियम carboxylate in presence of soda lime plus CaO, sodium hydroxide plus calcium oxide is known as soda lime. On heating, it will be converted into hydrocarbon means alkene, and byproduct is Na2CO3 sodium carbonate. Na2CO3 means यहाँ पे जो कार्बन C डबल बॉन्ड वो ग्रुप है पूरा यहाँ पे रिलीज होके सोडियम के साथ रिएक्ट होके सोडियम कार्बोनेट फॉर्म. In this reaction, the carbon dioxide is released from the carboxylic acid. That's why this reaction is known as decarboxylation reaction. Here, this carbon dioxide removed in the form of sodium carbonate. That's why this is known as decarboxylation reaction. So, in this reaction, alkenes are obtained. Alkenes. Clear? And another one thing, here number of carbons. The, when the product will obtain one carbon, less product will form comparison with reactant. In this reactant, in case here two carbons, then only one carbon containing alkene will be obtained. Three carbons, two carbon alkene. For reason, one carbon will be removed in the form of sodium carbonate. For example, CH3C double bond OH. Acetic acid, same reaction conditions. Then here CH3H methane and Na2CO3 sodium carbonate will be obtained. Means reactant having two carbons, but one carbon is removed in the form of carbon dioxide. Carbon release हुआ, then to form another product, one less carbon contain product form. CH3H, that means methane. Methane. Here ethane, ethanoic acid. So one carbon release हुआ तो methane form. This is the decarboxylation reaction, or this reaction is known as Kolbe's electrolysis reaction also. And third, next one is some other reactions. Three types of reactions of carboxylic acids are completed, and other reaction, substitution reaction in hydrocarbon. This is very important. And fourth type, three reactions are clear one. Next, fourth type, substitution reactions इन द हाइड्रोकार्बन पार्ट. अभी इसमें क्या होता है, ये फोर्थ टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शन में कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड फंक्शनल ग्रुप में कुछ डिस्टर्बेंस नहीं होगा. मींस OH बॉन्ड ब्रेक नहीं होगा, CO बॉन्ड ब्रेक नहीं होगा, कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड फंक्शनल ग्रुप भी डिस्टर्ब नहीं होगा. ओनली रिएक्शन विल अकर्ड इन द hydrocarbon part. Substitution, that is also substitution will occur. Substitution reactions in the hydrocarbon part. Substitution reaction occurred in hydrocarbon, means only hydrocarbon part disturb होगा, carboxylic acid functional group C double bond वो will be disturbance in here. In this reaction, first one is halogenation. Halogenation reaction. Halogenation means substitution with halogen. That reaction is known as halogen reaction. Already अब 11th standard में learn किया हूँ, ये one of the important reaction है, one of the named and very important reaction. Halogenation means substitution with halogen. That reaction is known as halogenation reaction. Here, carboxylic acids having an alpha hydrogen are halogenated at the alpha position on treatment with chlorine or bromine in the presence of small amount of red phosphorus to give alpha halocarboxylic acid. Alpha halocarboxylic acids are main product. Alpha halocarboxylic acids are main product in this reaction. Alpha halocarboxylic acids are formed. The reaction is known as Hell-Wohlard-Zielinski reaction. This reaction, another name reaction and important reaction, that is known as HVZ reaction. H for Hell, V for Wohlard, Z for Zielinski reaction. Hell, Wohlard, and Zielinski reaction. Zeli, Zielinski reaction. HVZ, Hell-Wohlard-Zielinski reaction. In this compulsory alpha hydrogen carboxylic acid, alpha carbon means alpha carbon compulsory having hydrogen. That hydrogen is known as alpha hydrogen. Alpha hydrogen containing carboxylic acids are only undergoes this type of reaction, Hell-Wohlard-Zielinski reaction. In this compound, the reaction mechanism is substitution reaction will occur at the place of अल्फा कार्बन पे ही ये रिएक्शन होगा, तो ये रिएक्शन होने के लिए कंपलसरी अल्फा हाइड्रोजन तो प्रेजेंट होना चाहिए, जिसमें अल्फा हाइड्रोजन होता है वही यहाँ पे Hell-Wohlard-Zielinski reaction में participate करें. In case alpha hydrogen is absent, that product reactant does not undergo Hell-Wohlard-Zielinski reaction. तो अल्फा हाइड्रोजन, so लास्ट क्लास में डिस्कशन किया है, ऑलरेडी कीटोन्स में अल्फा हाइड्रोजन होगा तो ही aldol क्रॉस aldol कंडेंसेशन रिएक्शन में पार्टिसिपेट करें. सिमिलरली कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड में भी अल्फा हाइड्रोजन होगा तो ही HVZ रिएक्शन में पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे. तो इन दिस रिएक्शन द मेन प्रोडक्ट इज alpha halocarboxylic acid. Here alpha carbon means functional group next to carbon is alpha carbon. That carbon in case having any hydrogens, that is known as alpha hydrogen. Here compulsory alpha hydrogen containing carboxylic acid only. This one is carbonyl carbon means functional group carbon. Next carbon is alpha carbon. This carbon with having minimum one carbon, then it will undergo halogenation reaction with halogen in presence of red phosphorus. Reaction with halogen X2 in presence of red phosphorus. That's why this whole reaction process is known as Hell-Wohlard-Zielinski reaction, and it forms alpha substitute because two alpha hydrogens यहाँ पे हमको एक ही alpha hydrogen से मतलब है, this alpha hydrogen will be substituted by halogen and forms C double bond OH. Alpha halo substituted product, alpha halo carboxylic acid. This one is alpha halo carboxylic acid. Alpha halo carboxylic acid formula. This reaction is known as Hell-Wohlard-Zielinski reaction. One of the very important reaction. Alpha carbon होगा तो ही alpha carbon पे minimum one hydrogen होगा तो ही ये reaction possible होगा. In case alpha carbon absent, alpha hydrogen absent, then this Hell-Wohlard-Zielinski reaction does not occur. ये halogenation reaction substitution रिएक्शन सब्स्टिट्यूशन है, यहाँ से H रिमूव होगा, वहाँ पे क्लोरीन सब्स्टिट्यूट होता है, दैट्स व्हाई दिस रिएक्शन इज नोन एज सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन. एंड अनदर वन रिंग सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन. तो ये एलिफेटिक चेन में अल्फा कार्बन होगा तो अल्फा हाइड्रोजन प्रेजेंट होगा तो हैलोजनेशन रिएक्शन. इन केस एरोमेटिक कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड होगा तो सेम सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन है बट एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड, तो रिंग सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन. The ring substitution reaction type of two second reaction. In this benzene or aromatic ring having carboxylic acid group, then this carboxylic acid containing aromatic compounds. That means example benzoic acid, aromatic compounds of carboxylic acid undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction. क्योंकि already यहाँ पे दिया substitution, but here electrophilic substitution reaction will occur because here this one is benzene ring. Here this C double bond O H group, carboxylic group, this carboxylic acid group behaves as electron withdrawing group. It is not a donating group, behaves as electron withdrawing group. C double bond O H group is known as electron withdrawing group. This electron withdrawing group will present on benzene ring. It is acts as a meta directing group. Electron withdrawing group is WG, electron withdrawing group. तो बेंजीन रिंग में से इलेक्ट्रॉन को एक्सेप्ट करेंगे तो ऑल इलेक्ट्रॉन विथड्रॉइंग ग्रुप्स आर मेटा डायरेक्टिंग ग्रुप्स. दिस ग्रुप इज मेटा डायरेक्टिंग ग्रुप. तो इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन रिंग पे होगा. इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिंग पे होगा तो आने वाला सेकंड सब्स्टिट्यूएंट मेटा पोजीशन पे सब्स्टिट्यूट होके मेटा सब्स्टिट्यूटेड प्रोडक्ट्स विल बी obtained. And here ring substitution reaction में Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation reactions does not undergo this ring substitution reaction because here anhydrous AlCl3 directly react with the functional group of C double bond OH group. तो यहाँ पे Friedel-Crafts reactions होगा तो here AlCl3 react with functional group of C double bond OH group. Then this reaction will not occur. That's why here Friedel-Crafts reactions are not occur. Here example, when this benzoic acid undergoes nitration reaction, electrophilic substitution reaction, nitration reaction, this benzoic acid, this benzoic acid treated with nitration mixture, nitration mixture means concentrated HNO3 plus concentrated H2SO4 mixture is known as nitration mixture. And here the product formed meta substitute product, meta nitrobenzoic acid, and motto group is electrophile. meta nitrobenzoic acid will be obtained. This is known as meta nitrobenzoic acid. Means here C double and OH group electron withdrawing group. All electron withdrawing groups are behaves as meta directing groups. Then NO2 plus electrophile. This electrophile will substitute a meta position. This one is ortho position. This one is meta position. This one is para position. All electron donating groups are directed as ortho and para. Means all electron donating groups are ortho para directing groups. And similarly, this reaction, this benzoic acid treated with bromine, bromine also substituted meta position in presence of benzoic acid treated with bromine in presence of ApBr3. क्योंकि ये रिंग में सब्स्टिट्यूट होना चाहिए तो डायरेक्टली रिएक्टेंट्स यही रहेगा रिएक्शन कंडीशन. तो यहाँ पे C डबल बॉन्ड OH ग्रुप नहीं होगा तो डायरेक्ट ब्रोमीन सब्स्टिट्यूट होगा, ब्रोमोबेंजीन फॉर्म होगा. But C double bond OH main substrate main functional group and it is directing the Br plus group to the meta position. Then meta bromo कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड फॉर्म होगा, मेटा ब्रोमो कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड, मेटा ब्रोमो कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड फॉर्म होगा। These are the total chemical properties of carboxylic acid. Means lesson is over. First one कार्बोक्सिलिक aldehyde के बारे में डिस्कशन किया। तो ऑर्डर इज सेम फॉर ऑल फंक्शनल ग्रुप। फर्स्ट वन इज नोमेनक्लेचर, प्रिपरेशन, फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज, केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज, ऑल कंपाउंड्स इज सेम। तो उसमें टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शंस कितना होगा, तो मेन नेम रिएक्शंस है वो सब याद रखने का। वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट लेसन है ये, केमिकल रिएक्शन ऑल आर इंपॉर्टेंट। aldehyde ketone carboxylic acid lesson completed with this ring substitution reaction. Or next we will discuss another lesson next class. Okay, right. एक्सरसाइज में जो एग्जाम्पल्स हैं तो एनसीईआरटी सॉल्यूशन बुक है, एनसीईआरटी सॉल्यूशन बुक खरीद लो, एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट प्रैक्टिस करो, इन टेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल्स ऑल क्वेश्चंस विल ट्राई योरसेल्फ। तो ये आपको लेसन समझ में आएगा। मीन्स डायरेक्टली प्रैक्टिस मत करना, एक बार लेसन रीड करो उसके बाद प्रैक्टिस करो।